Hi dear friends, today I want to teach you the Russian personal pronouns. Dear friends, the Russian personal pronouns, like English, we have some pronouns like я, ты, он, она, вы, мы, они. When we want to use a pronoun with a verb, just we change the form of the verb. Okay, just we change the form of the verb. Pay attention. When you when we want to see that I'm reading, я читаю. Читаю is читать. Читать, which means read. Я читаю, I'm reading. Ты читаешь, you are reading. Он or она читает, he or she is reading. Вы читаете, вы читаете, you are reading. You plural form, ты is singular form. Мы читаем, we are reading. And the last one is они читают, they are reading. And now we use the action. What's the action? Action means the sentence complement. Okay, я читаю журнал, I'm reading the magazine. Ты читаешь журнал, you are reading the magazine, singular form. Okay, он or она читает журнал, he or she is reading the magazine. Вы читаете журнал, you are reading the magazine. Мы читаем журнал, we are reading the magazine. Они читают журнал, they are reading the magazine. Dear friends, when you want to use the future tense in Russian, just we need to add the to be verb bit. Okay, bit means to be. In the future tense of Russian, when you want to see I will be reading the journal, just you change the form of the to be. Okay, to what was the to be? It was bit. Okay, bit. You change it to the present tense. Я буду. Ты будешь. Он, она будет. Вы будете. Мы будем. Они будут. And now after the changing of the to be, you add the form of the verb. Я буду читать журнал. I will be reading the magazine tomorrow. If you add tomorrow, завтра. Okay? Я буду читать журнал. I will be reading the magazine. Ты будешь читать журнал. You will be reading the magazine. Он or она будет читать журнал. He or she will be reading the journal. Вы будете читать журнал. You will be reading the journal. Мы будем читать журнал. We will be reading the journal. And the last one is они. Они будут читать журнал. They will be reading the journal. Thanks a lot, dear friends.